Checking out a beautiful Singer. This is a reimagined 964. This comes with a 390 horsepower engine, full carbon fiber body. Love the wide body in the back. The carbon fiber saves about 500 pounds over stock. So I think these weigh somewhere around 2,600 pounds. It's a beautiful interior, Recaro seats. The waiting list to get one of these is about 3 years. Really nice wheels, matches the paint. I love how they carried the orange theme even inside.
Oh, no. My daughter was just like, we're about ready to hit 1,000 miles on it.
Wow, already?
This is a very, very cool color. Almost like a root beer, kind of a brownish burgundy. Goes really well with the orange and this brushed bronze. It's a really unique color. I don't think I've seen that on anything. They carried it over to the wheels. Matching brake calipers, matching side mirrors, the oil cap, even the shift knob. Yeah, this is a really, really nice one.
Yeah, check it out. So how would you do it? She is going to be 24 in a